Hey guys, today we're going to check out the Ring Video Doorbell 2, a 1080p Wi-Fi connected video doorbell. Let's unbox it. Inside you'll find the Ring, installation manuals, as well as the wedge and corner mounts. These lets you adjust the camera position. There's also the install tools, as well as some wiring, as well as the bubble level and screws. There's also the Venetian plate, the battery, and an adapter plate for the previous model. With the included charging cable, you can charge the battery by plugging this end to a phone charger and this end into a battery. When charging, the red light and the green light are turned on, but when it's fully charged, only the green light will show. Now install the Ring Doorbell app on your smartphone and sign up for an account. Select doorbells and use your phone camera to capture the MAC ID on the back of the doorbell. Then select Ring Video Doorbell 2 and proceed to insert the battery. Press the small button as instructed and enter your Wi-Fi password. More settings and the rest is history. You're done with the app setup. In the included toolbox, you'll find the masonry drill bit and the interchangeable screwdriver bit. With adult supervision, turn off the power to the old doorbell and remove it. Mark and drill the mounting holes with the included drill bit. Then insert the provided screw anchors. Secure the existing doorbell power wires to the back of Ring Doorbell and turn power back on to make sure the white LED ring lights up. Insert the included spirit bubble to the front to facilitate the alignment. Secure the Ring Doorbell with provided screws and remove the bubble level. Install the cover plate and test your doorbell to make sure it works and showing to be charging on the app. Secure the security screw on the bottom of the doorbell and peel off the protective film to finish up. Here's an actual daytime and nighttime footage from the Ring camera itself. In summary, the Ring Video Doorbell 2 is a great addition to any household because it's easy to install, takes clear 1080p video, and it takes decent black and white video at night. However, you may need to upgrade your Wi-Fi as it might not reach to the Ring. Or you can purchase the Ring Chime Pro, which also has network repeater capabilities.
Thank you for watching.